description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle recipe time. This one came from a local store, and I thought people would find it fascinating, and they're probably into it. This is the Shin stir-fry spicy beef. However, it's in a tray, and you microwave it. So, generally, from my experience, the Shin stuff that's been in a tray is really good. The microwavables are decent, so we will see. It says fill to the line, and that kind of has me wondering, really? Which line are we talking? That line's really tall. Oh, I see it. The lower line. Okay, so if you fill it up to the line way up here, you're gonna end up with a really soupy variety that's supposed to be dry. So we don't want that. No, sir. So we're gonna fill it right to there. And then we microwave it for 4 minutes, huh? Okay. I don't think it'll go over the top. I think I'm safe. And there we go. How's everybody doing? Man, it's been a week so far. Yesterday the kids had a 2-hour late start. Today they had a 2-hour late start. What's funny about it today, we didn't get any snow or anything, so I'm guessing it was just because it was going to be icy. And yeah, I'm not a fan of icy. I don't like slipping on ice. So, but now it's clear, sunny, and cold. So that's what we get today. Oh, still got my cold. Still got just the itchiest, stingiest, watery eyes going on. I'm really sick of it. My wife's sick of it too. We're both just like, we've got a long haul standard seasonal cold. And I guess she works in healthcare, so she's heard that it's hitting a lot of people really hard. So, present. I don't know. But just got the kids on the bus and did a new intro, which you probably just saw. So that's cool. Ugh. I tell you, it's like there's like little pieces of glass or sand in the corner of my eyes. I don't know. So the tariffs thing is pretty much done, except for China. He did a 10% tariff on Chinese products. And now China has replied with a 15% tariff. So, I don't know. I just don't know. I've given up trying to know things to know or things to know, but you just don't know. So, no. And, yeah. I don't get to take lovely pictures of the noodles with the window open. I have to put up the thing with the clips. But today is the 4th day of February in our month 2 of 2025, and I'm microwaving noodles again. I'm ready for spring to spring, or at least just get regular, maybe like 40-degree weather with a little bit of drizzle. That sounds good. I want some overcast, and I want some warmer stuff so I don't have to worry about ice. I don't like the ice. No. But in the meantime, I've been getting a lot of reviews done. I've been doing maybe like, gosh, this one will be number, I think, 5,249. So once I'm done with today, I'll have been a quarter of the way to review 6,000. So that's something. I've got plenty of stuff to review on hand, so we're good. But yeah, I don't know. Pretty bored. It'd really be nice to get out and do stuff, but I don't know. I just don't want to slip on ice. I'm kind of like gun shy of that after that happened once, and it's not like I can see very well, so kind of thirsty though. I could go for a beverage. I had like the worst energy drink this morning. Hey, we're done. It was foul, folks. Hey, it didn't go over the top. Here we are. Okay. All right. Okay. Need scissors. You can tell I'm not completely prepared for the doings of the day. Looks like I just got the kids on the bus and did a little bit of work on the computer. And here I am cooking. So need to get to the store. Today is the last of the scallions I have. So I don't have any more scallions. And I really can't think of many varieties that I would make without scallions, so that's kind of vexing. So this should be interesting. I don't know. Sometimes I like Shin, sometimes I don't. I'm hoping I like this one. One thing I can say is when they have products that are just to be microwaved, the noodles end up really quite nice for most of the time. Ooh. Although these, I just got into a spot where it was a little underdone on top. However, a quick stir probably will alleviate that. But yeah, here is our Shin stir fry spicy beef. And all right, I, as well as you, are curious on the upshoot of this. There we are. It's spicy, it's beef. Cheers. It's pretty good. It is spicy, but it's not like real spicy. Very mushroomy. Definitely getting a mushroom bump out of this more than anything. There we go. Let me use my funny thingy. Ooh, it does have a bit of hit on the back end of things. All right. Yeah, I need to get off my butt and make some eggs, and I don't know. I just haven't felt the egg vibe lately, so I need to get some more eggs and do that up. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know, this whole 2-hour late start for the kids really messes up my whole day. Normally I'd be getting back about now, and if I was lucky I would have time to do my cooking. But generally what I've been doing is going out walking, coming back, and then cooking after my wife and I have lunch. And that works way better. I like that. That's a nice little order of operations for me. And it's just not working. So, watch it rotate. This is decent. If you find it, try it. Because I think if you like Shin, you will like this. It's really not bad. And as you can see, it didn't take long to cook. So, there you go. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is from a bowl, not a cup noodle. The bowl is was that big. And this is Marushan Midori no Tanuki Tensoba Mini. So that will be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.